Hello ladies and gentlemen. Tonight I'm leaving very late because my brother has to do some test or something. We're going camping for my mom's birthday. I think it takes like 4 hours and I think we're gonna leave at like 9 or something. We'll probably get there at 1 a.m. Sounds good. We finally stopped for some food. It's 10:30, so I'm running to Macca's and I'm gonna pee in the toilet. It's 12:30. I'm waiting. Is all set up and I'm in my sleeping bag and it's 1 a.m. I will see you in the morning. Good morning. So we went to the beach. It was quite pleasant. The water's quite cold here, I have to admit. But the sun's out, shining, thriving, giving us the energy of life. And now I'm just sitting on the side of the road, throwing rocks at the road. We are off to another beach.
Y antes de morir me quiero echar mis besos en la...
Ladies and gentlemen, we're back in the tent and it's night 2, the last night, and today was a great day. I feel like I didn't film much of it, but it was a great day, you know, beach all day. Just no worries in the world. Missed it. Love this lifestyle. I just want to move here and camp every day and just live the life. We sleep and then wake up in the morning, probably go to the beach, perhaps. God, I just realized I have not brushed my teeth all day. Am I gonna do it? Should probably, yeah, I'm going to brush my teeth. I love you all, and good morning, everybody. It's 8 a.m. and it poured non-stop last night. Like, rained the whole night. And I don't know if that messed with my dreams or not, but I woke up twice crying. Like, floods of tears. Just, what is that? That has never happened to me. Maybe once, but twice in one night. And I think it's because of the rain. Oh, anyways, I don't know why I'm so red. I feel like I might be burnt. Oh no, I think I'm actually really burnt. Oh, because I put this zinc on. I didn't realize, I don't think it's actually SPF. It's just like zinc to protect you from the wind and stuff. And I didn't put any sunscreen on underneath, and I was in the sun the entire day. And now I look like a friggin' tomato. And you know what's gonna happen is I'm just gonna freckle. Oh, 'cause Smee doesn't tan, she just burns and gets freckles, and then gets pasty again. Guys, I made a friend. Look at this thing. Hey girlfriend, Cecilia. What? She just fully backwards walked. Whoa. Did it just shit? It just did a shit. Oh my god, that's disgusting. Oh no. Oh my god, it's shitting everywhere. Oh my god, Cecilia, what have I done? What have I done to deserve this? Cecilia fully just came and shat on my tent. Oh my god. I still think that's a tick. Like a full-fledged tick, just like a massive... Is that not a tick? Oh my Jesus. I've never seen one just walking around before. It's on the outside, guys, though. It's alright. Cecilia, tick. There is now a leech on my tent. Look at the way it's crawling. Welcome to Australia. Hey guys, we're back from the beach and it's like 1 and we're about to have lunch, and this is my banana peel I left over from breakfast, and I think we're just gonna head straight home because the waves are sort of non-existent. And yeah, home time. I'm gonna pack up my tent. Look at this bloody beauty. What? Honestly, amazing. Just incredible.